Hi guys, welcome or welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be making this candy heart pillow. So if you are interested in doing that, then follow along. So here I'm showing you guys the back panel of the heart. And then now we're gonna start on the front panel. Now, obviously this is not a tutorial. I did leave the link for the pattern in the description below. So if you are interested in making this, then you can click on that link. So for the front panel, the pattern does give you the option to surface crochet the words on there, but I decided to use the tapestry method. So I used a graph, made it on my iPad, and then just followed that. And here I am just making the border that's going to connect the front and back panels. And then now we're putting it together. There wasn't really a measurement or like how many stitches should be in each one. So I kind of just like eyeballed it, measured it around, and made sure that the border did fit around the entire heart. Now here I am stuffing the pillow. I did also steam block it off camera just to help out with it sitting correctly and looking more like a pillow. And this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.